Hello everyone, how are you doing? This is MD Tech here with another quick tutorial. In today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how to show or display these speaker notes on your Google slide presentation. So this should hopefully be a pretty straightforward process, guys. And without further ado, let's go ahead and jump straight into it. So all you have to do is select the View tab at the top, and then where it says Show Speaker Notes, go ahead and make sure that's checkmarked. If it isn't, just go click inside of here one time, and then the speaker notes should become visible while presenting. So pretty straightforward process, guys, and as always, thank you for watching. I do hope that was able to help you out, and I do look forward to catching you all in the next tutorial. Goodbye.